Top 10 dish drying rack.
Number 10. The ULG dish. Drying rack is a practical and space-saving solution for organizing and drying your dishware. With product dimensions of 16.14 inches in diameter, 4.72 inches in width, and 13.18 inches in height, this black rack from the trusted ULG brand provides ample space for drying plates, glasses, and utensils without occupying precious countertop space. The wall mount feature of this dish drying rack sets it apart from traditional designs, allowing for easy installation and freeing up countertop space for food preparation or other kitchen activities. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, and its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you have a compact kitchen or simply value a tidy and organized space, the ULG dish drying rack is an excellent addition. Its recommended uses for dishware make it a practical and essential tool for any home kitchen or commercial setting, ensuring that your dishes dry efficiently and remain neatly organized.
Number 9. The Novaya Bamboo Dish. Drying Rack 2. Tier offers a sustainable and practical solution for air-drying dishes, utensils, and kitchenware. Crafted from bamboo, this eco-friendly material ensures durability and adds a touch of natural elegance to any kitchen space. With product dimensions of 10 inches in diameter, 16.1 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, the Novaya Bamboo Dish Drying Rack. Two-tier provides ample space for efficient drying and storage. Its two-tier design maximizes drying capacity while optimizing counter space usage, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or those striving for a minimalist aesthetic. The brand's commitment to quality is evident in this product as the Novaya Bamboo Dish Drying Rack 2-tier showcases excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail. The use of bamboo as the primary material not only contributes to its sturdiness, but also reflects an eco-conscious approach to kitchen organization. The natural bamboo color of the dish rack.
Number 8. The Howdia over-the-sink dish. Drying rack is a testament to practical design and sturdy construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this rack is built to last, providing a durable solution for your kitchen needs. With product dimensions of 11.4 inches in diameter, 32.3 inches in width, and 33.9 inches in height, it offers ample space for drying dishes while optimizing counter space. The sleek black color of the Howdia rack adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen, seamlessly blending with various decor styles. Its versatile nature allows it to serve as a sponge holder, utensil holder, and an efficient drying platform for various kitchenware. The Howdia over-the-sink dish. Drying rack is ingeniously designed for easy setup, offering both sink and over-the-sink mounting options, ensuring flexibility in installation. Despite its substantial weight of 8.5 pounds, it boasts an impressive weight limit of 66 pounds, highlighting its robustness and reliability. The rack's premium quality.
Number 7. Busani Dish Drying Rack. The Busani Dish Drying Rack is a reliable and well-designed addition to any kitchen. With product dimensions of 18 into 13 into 15 inches and a manageable weight of 5.95 pounds, this dish drying rack offers a practical solution for organizing and drying dishes. The positive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 1,767 customer reviews speaks volumes about the satisfaction of its users. It's evident that this product has garnered great feedback and has become a bestseller, ranking at #17, 508 in kitchen and dining, and #204 in dish racks. The rack's sleek modern design and ample size make it suitable for use in various kitchen settings. Its thoughtful layout allows for convenient drying and storage of various dishware. The durable construction and thoughtful design are clear indications of the product's quality and functionality. Additionally, the Busani Dish Drying Rack offers practicality and efficiency, making it an essential accessory for any kitchen.
Number 6. The KitchenAid Compact Space-Saving Rust-Resistant Dish Rack is a valuable addition to any kitchen, offering both functionality and style. With its durable plastic material and rust-resistant design, this dish rack ensures long-lasting use and an attractive appearance. The compact design of this dish rack makes it a perfect fit for smaller kitchen spaces, allowing for efficient countertop mounting without taking up too much room. The mineral watercolor adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen decor, complementing a wide range of interior styles. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its adjustability, allowing for customizable storage to accommodate various dish sizes and kitchenware. This flexibility adds to the overall convenience and practicality of the product. Weighing just 1.36 kilograms, this dish rack offers portability and ease of use, making it suitable for both home use and on-the-go situations. Its lightweight nature does not compromise its sturdiness.
Number 5. The Cuisinart Stainless Steel Dish. Drying rack. Includes wire dish. Drying rack is a testament to functional elegance in any kitchen space. Crafted with durable stainless steel, this dish drying rack presents a sleek and modern design that effortlessly complements various kitchen decors. With product dimensions of 6ED into 12, W into 14.4H, it offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware, while maintaining a compact footprint on the countertop. As a leading brand in kitchen essentials, Cuisinart delivers a reliable dish drying solution that aligns with the needs of modern households. The silver color of the rack adds a touch of sophistication, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the kitchen. Notably, the removable feature of this dish drying rack ensures ease of cleaning and maintenance, allowing for a hygienic and convenient user experience. Its item weight of 4.3 pounds contributes to its stability, while remaining manageable for relocation if needed.
Number 4. PX Rack Dish Drying. The PX Rack Dish Drying Rack is a sleek and practical addition to any kitchen, crafted from durable stainless steel. This product offers reliable support for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchenware. With dimensions of 12.2 D into 21.5 W into 5.5 H, it provides ample space without occupying excessive room on the kitchen counter. The black color and minimalist design ensure that it seamlessly integrates into various kitchen aesthetics. Designed by the reputable brand EX Rack. This dish drying rack is not only stylish but also highly functional. Its recommended uses in the kitchen as a utensil holder make it a versatile and practical accessory for everyday cooking and meal preparation. The mounting options of kitchen counter or sink allow for flexible placement catering to diverse kitchen layouts and preferences. Weighing just 1.86 kilograms, the PX Rack Dish Drying rack strikes a balance between sturdiness and maneuverability, making it convenient to handle and reposition.
Number 3. Uosawa Dish Drying Rack. The Uosawa Dish Drying rack is a stellar addition to any kitchen, boasting superior functionality and a sleek professional design. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, this dish drying rack is not only sturdy, but also resistant to rust, ensuring longevity and durability. Measuring at 15.75 inches in diameter, 11.02 inches in width, and 11.42 inches in height, the dimensions of this product make it suitable for a wide range of kitchen spaces. The choice of black color further adds a touch of elegance and modernity to the overall aesthetic. The Uosawa Dish Drying Rack caters to a variety of kitchen needs, serving as a dish drainer, utensil holder, and suitable storage for bottles, stemmed glasses, dishware, and silverware. Its countertop mount design ensures easy accessibility and convenient use, while the 5-pound weight and 10-kilogram weight limit make it both manageable and capable of accommodating a substantial load of kitchen items.
Number 2. Dish Drainer Plastic Tray Kitchen Drying Rack. The iDesign Forma. Lupe Stainless Steel Metal Sink. Dish Drainer with plastic tray is a highly functional and durable kitchen accessory, made of stainless steel. This dish drainer offers a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 5.2 inches in depth, 13.3 inches in width, and 17.5 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen items. The brand InterDesign is synonymous with quality and reliability, and this dish drainer is no exception. Its bronze color adds an elegant touch to the kitchen environment, making it not only practical but also visually appealing. Versatility is a key feature of this product, as it can be used both on the counter and in the sink, providing convenience and flexibility in various kitchen layouts. The item weighs a mere 16 ounces, ensuring that it is lightweight and easy to maneuver as needed. A notable special feature of this dish drainer.
Number 1. This SNSXH2 tier over the sink dish. Drying rack is a game changer for any kitchen. Constructed from durable metal, it offers a sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 12.2 D into 35.4 W into 20.5 H, this rack provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. The black color adds a touch of elegance, while the 50-pound weight limit ensures that it can accommodate a substantial load of dishes without compromising stability. The special features of being expandable, collapsible, adjustable, and rust-resistant make it a versatile and long-lasting addition to any kitchen. The countertop mount design makes it easy to install and frees up valuable space on your kitchen counter. Whether you have a small or large kitchen, this dish drying rack is a practical and stylish solution for keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Take advantage of the current 48% off promotion, which ends on May 5th, to elevate your kitchen.